Well, hello family. How are you? 3 Shades of K here. I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving to all of you, and to let you know that to start off with Vlogmas this year, I will be doing a $50 giveaway. It could be an Amazon card, it could be a Visa card, or a Cash App. So your choice. $50 giveaway. However, you must make sure you put down in the comment section what you are most thankful for. Like thinking about 2020, all that we've been through, what are you most thankful for? Now, my answer to that question, I am most thankful for peace of mind. That's what I'm most thankful for, because a lot of people don't have that right now. Of course, with peace of mind goes family and, you know, everything just sort of falling in place, or you getting through some things. But yes, Vlogmas Day 1, that's next, is that next Wednesday? Okay, whatever Vlogmas Day 1 is, December 1st, I will be announcing the winner. But make sure you subscribe to my channel, as well as you have left a comment describing, just a quick comment of what you are most thankful for. I am excited about Vlogmas. I'm excited about this Thanksgiving Day to dive into some turkey with my mama, and I'll be eating with my husband and his family later on. So yes, don't forget, subscribe, comment section below what you're most thankful for. For me, peace of mind. I hope you all have a safe and wonderful Thanksgiving. Don't eat too much, and remember, there's nothing like peace of mind. As will be your own cheerleader. Create your own sunshine. Love y'all, and I hope to chat with you soon in the comment section. See you on the next upload.